Forza, and I'm going to show you how to solve addition and subtraction of matrix. And this time, I will teach you how to do the addition of matrix. First, the matrix of A has 1, 2, 3, and 5. And the matrix of B has 4, 6, 11, and 13. The question is, let's find the addition of matrix A and B, and the answer will be the matrix C. Then, let's add the two matrices. It says here, 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. 11 plus 3 is 14. And 5 plus 13 is 18. This will be the final answer of your matrix. And now, let's solve for the subtraction part of this matrix. Let us use, again, the examples of the matrix A and the matrix B. But we are going to find A minus B, and the answer will be the matrix of D. 1 minus 4 will be negative 3. 2 minus 6 will be negative 4. 3 minus 11 is negative 8. And 5 minus 13 will be negative 8 also. This will be the final answer of your subtraction of matrix. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Lynette, and I'm going to show you how to solve scalar multiplication of matrix. Scalar multiplication. The given is the matrix of A is equals to 0, negative 2, negative 5, and 9. Find 2A. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. 2 times 9 is equals to 18. Now, the final answer is 0, negative 4, negative 10, and 18.
A topic for today is about multiplication of matrix. For example, matrix A is equals to 2, 0, 6, 5. Matrix B, 7 and 1. Matrix C, 1, 3, 4. Find AB, BC, AC. So first, we know the type of matrix. 2 by 2, 2 by 1, 1 by 3. So A is equals to 2 by 2 and B 2 by 1. First, we know the middle term if equal, so there have a solution. Example, 2 by 2, 2 by 1. So the middle term is same, so we have a solution. The answer will be 2 by 1. So AB first, A 2065 and B 71. 2 times 7, 14 plus 0 times 1 equals to 14. 6 times 7 equals to 42. 5 times 1 equals to 5. 42 plus 5 equals to 47. AB is equal to 14 over 14 and 47. So 2 by 1. So BC 2 by 1 and 1 by 3. So same middle term, so we have a solution. First, 7 by 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. 7 times 1, 7, 1 times 1, 1. 7 times 3, 21. 1 times 3, 3. 7 times 4, 28. 7 times 1 times 4 equals to 4. So BC is equal to 7, 21, 28, 1, 3, 4. AC 2 by 2 and 1 by 3. So the middle term is not equal, so there have no solution. Note, before you solve, you must know the types of matrix. It will be 2 by 2, 1 by 1, and if the middle term is not the same, there have no solution.
Hello, this video is about the diagonal matrix. We have matrix A, which contains the elements 3, 5, 1, 7, 2, 6, 9, 4, 8. To find the determinant of matrix A, copy the first and second column of the original matrix A and get the sum of these three diagonals. 3 times 2 times 8 plus 5 times 6 times 9 plus 1 times 7 times 4. And subtract it to 9 times 2 times 1 plus 4 times 6 times 3 plus 8 times 7 times 5. Solving these operations, we get negative 24. The determinant of matrix A is negative 24.